Leo ni takriban wiki moja na siku mbili tokea alipopata kuiaga runinga ya Inooro TV mtangazaji tajika na kipenzi cha wengi Hellen Muthoni. Ila ni taarifa za kufurahisha ambazo tunazipokea kwa sasa kuhusiana na Hellen. Inaaminika Hellen keshapata kazi nyingine jipya baada ya kuiaga runinga hii, ambapo alifanya kazi kule kwa kipindi cha miaka 7. Na Wakenya wamejitokeza kwa wingi kuweza kumpa kongole kwa sababu ya kazi mpya ambayo wamepata kuipata. If you have visited social media recently, you might come across this trending post which has been published by Hellen Muthoni on her Facebook page celebrating after landing a new job. Hellen Muthoni left Inooro TV some days ago, where she has been working for about 7 years. She was hosting a show called Roromoka, which is now being hosted by Joy Janet alongside DJ Covenant. Now Hellen has landed another job as a teacher in one of the best and international schools called Bloomington School, which is in Nairobi. Hellen will be working as a teacher in this school. This information has been shared by her on her Facebook page, where she thanked the management of this school for trusting her as one of its teachers. In a message, Hellen had this to say: "See God, assist me, welcome our new family member on board. Thank you, Bloomington School, for trusting teacher Msoo Muthoni as your teacher." Na Wakenya walikuwa pale kwenye ukurasa wake wa kijamii wa Facebook kuweza kumpa kongole na kuweza kumcelebrate for this new achievement. You know, Hellen has been doing great work for the ministry. Kwanza ikija kwa music industry, she has been giving us music day in day out. She has also been providing counseling to people that want also to build up their career in journalism and music. Yeah, all we can say is that we are happy for her and may God keep blessing her. That's what's up. Make sure una subscribe. Hii ni FM Show KE.